Hello everyone, welcome to the group page. At this, I'd like to show you how to start a group in Vunderba. You press the add group button up on top here. The group screen will come up. You would actually title it. You put a description of your group and what it's about. Select a location of it. Tags are key tags that they can search for that'll be in reference to your group. So if your group's about crocheting, it'll be yarn, it'll be crocheting, it'll be knitting. Then you can select the categories. If you don't see the category you want, you click this here. Another box will show up where you can actually type in the category that you want. Down here you can put in photos, videos, sounds, files. Already, you can put in, and you can add them later. Here is where you'll do the privacy settings for the group. Pretty self-explanatory. Basically, if you want to make the group private, though, you would click on Join Confirmation and click Enable. That would make the group private. All right. You can also change who can actually, who can see each one of these individual items and who can do what. I just wanted to show you that. That's it for actually creating the group. Next thing I want to show you is how to join a group. So if you wanted to join a group, what you do is you press on one of the titles. We're going to go into this one here. If you wanted to join this one, you would actually go down, and over here in this box you'll see join or become a fan. You would press on that, and then you would come to you would actually become a fan. You would also be able to enter into or go past. If it's a public forum, you'll be able to enter in, read, add, comment, things of this nature. But you can see here every group is going to have the same options across the top, and their layout is basically the same. The RSS feed may be different. That can be added on by the moderator of the group. Basically, this is the main page, which consists of group news, a form feed for new posts. If there was a new post, there would be a lightning bolt right next to it. If you and then this is the about section where where we showed you before, where you do a description, group album, a group blog. Anyone can add a group. These are the fans. This is the timeline in the center. If you wanted to add to the timeline, anybody can add to the timeline. You can rate the group here. You can comment over here into this box here. We'll do a comment. This shows you a location of where the group is, and that can be expanded in and out as you wish. It also will do a map or a satellite of the terrain. Basically, along the top here, you have your scheduler, and then you have the main picture for the group. I want to go into here. This is the main form of the site, so you can actually see all the posts, and it can go back and you can see there's several pages of available here. By the way, if you see something that you like, share it. Share it to Facebook, Google Plus. There's so many more. You can see there's 339 places listed here that you can actually share it to. The next thing I'd like to show you is a list of fans. The comment screen, the same thing as the initial page, which will list all the comments just in a single screen so you can see it. If you want to read a blog in a larger picture, this would be the blog. Group news, group album of pictures. But here's the scheduler, and I want to show you the scheduler, because if anybody can actually schedule an event, you would actually press this add event up in this right hand corner. A pop-up screen will show up, and in that pop-up screen you'll do the title, where it's going to be located, what type of event it is, event start date, which is a nice feature because it comes up with a pop-up calendar that you can use. Same thing with the event, and a description of the event itself and whether it repeats, and then just click down here, add event. It's that simple, and then it will show up on the screen. Not only show up on the screen, it'll also show in upcoming events, which are also located onto the main page. It's fairly that simple. If you have any questions, contact the administrator of Vunderba.com by your email down on the bottom here, and then we'll be able to answer your questions. Thank you very much.